Here's a video on our 21-foot pallet pool we built this year. So there's 17 pallets all the way around. They're 4x4. So that gives us a diameter of 21 feet. I got 4 straps pulling it together. I'd add the bottom strap as it was pulling apart as we're filling it up. You can see there's a bit more of a gap on the bottom. We have a blue tarp. This is a 30x40 tarp, and I got 3/4 inch foam on the sides and on the floor for insulation. I'm running a strainer inlet to help skim off all the bugs and stuff. This is our, get out of the mud here, pump system, 1-horse pump, and a sand filter that holds about 180 pounds of sand. So our tee out off the filter, one goes straight into the pool, the other one goes over to our wood stove, which has tubing inside to heat the water to go back into the pool. So yes, there's quite a bit of tension on these straps. As they're pretty tight. So to do it again, I would actually get a proper liner, as we have water leakage from the tarp, which is not 100% waterproof. I think the tarp stretched a bit. I'd probably put a couple more straps on it. Let's definitely start with the bottom a little tighter and next one on the top. But for the pump and the filter, this is working great. It's been running for a week now, and we're just over what we started for DP, so it's running good so far. I've already vacuumed the floor once, or the bottom of the pool once. We do a bunch of forest fires in the area, so we do get some stuff going to the bottom. And I mean, you got 4 kids jumping in and out all the time, so it gets a little dirty that way too. And as you can tell, there are any grass plants around here, so it does get fairly dirty. We have a little bit of turf where they get in and out, and a little bench to put their towels. But yes, I do recommend, if you're building a pool like this, the foam insulation on the sides and on the floor. It's nice to walk on the floor, and also it keeps in the heat a little better too. Anyways, thanks for watching.